So this is the Six Flags assignment. So again, if you wanted to change the word art, you could go into shape format and select a different transform if you'd like. It's up to you. Change the color if you wanted to. So when you're looking at this one and you notice that there's 4 columns and quite a few rows, and maybe instead of using the tabs, it would be better as a table. So select everything and then choose Insert, Table, and you're going to convert it text to table. And it shows up as 4 columns and 11 rows, and OK. Now you can change the height of each of the rows. So if you go into Layout, you can increase the height of it. And then because it's all in the upper left, you can choose Center so that it's in the middle of each of the cells. And then again, you can go into Design and choose a different shading if you'd like. If you don't like the color choices that show up here, these are the standard formatting theme colors. If you go to Design and choose a different color palette, so if I selected more of a violet, when I go into the Table Tools Design, then the themes are all more of that purpley color choices, so it changes to that. So if you wanted to experiment with that, you could do that. Now if you want to change the design, change the centering, so I'll go back to this one here. I went back to left align, so I'll choose center. And you can also put these in the center here, maybe center the titles, the column titles. And now maybe you'd like to put it in order based on height. So if you click Sort, and make sure that you have a header row because you don't want that to be centered within the material. So you do have a header row, and we want to sort by height. But make sure you do descending and then OK. Descending shows the tallest to the shortest, or you could change that back to ascending if you wanted the shortest first for height to the longest, or you could sort by the ride in alphabetical order, whatever you'd like to do. And maybe you'd want to, for view, 1 page, maybe you want to add a watermark or a border, page color, whatever you'd like, and that's a save and submit.